Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to download and install the 7 Deadly Sins Origin on PC using Steam. Just follow these simple steps and you'll be ready to play in no time. Let's get started. First, open Steam on your PC. At the top, click on the search bar. Type the 7 Deadly Sins Origin. Click on the game when it appears in the results. Once you're on the game page, click on Play Game. Now, a new window will pop up. Select the drive where you want to install the game. Click on Install. Accept the terms and conditions. Now just wait for the game to download and install. Once the download is complete, go to your library. Find the 7 Deadly Sins Origin in your game list. Click on it and press play. If prompted, click Yes. Now your game should launch, and you'll be ready to play. And that's it. You've successfully installed the 7 Deadly Sins Origin on your PC. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.